welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your minimum or maximum or multiple of limit by using a product metafield for your Shopify products, right? For example, you have 600 or 700,000 products and you need to set a minimum quantity for your products. So instead of using some random rules, you can use a meta field and you can set it by you need to change only the meta field limits, right? So that's will be I'm going to show you on this video. So we're using an app called Next Minimum Order Quantity from Shopify App Store. So you can install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video. So after installing the app, we'll have a test store. So you open the app. So before opening the app, first thing you'll do is go to settings. You go to settings. You go to Metafields. So first we'll make a Metafield. So for product, we go to product. We'll make an add a definition. If we make a Metafield, so we'll just give it as checkout rule. You edit this one. We'll edit and give this one checkout ninja rule. So this is the definition. And the type is JSON. Okay. And you save it. So this is the first step. First we'll make a meta field. Then you go to the app. You open the app. You'll go to the product limits. So you will make a rule. So you go to the products. You click on product bulk limit. Allow bulk limit. So if you need to show the message in the cart pages, you can show it and you can turn on this. And if you need to show a custom message, you can do it. So you save it, right? So you go to product section. I'm taking this product, for example. So we are setting a minimum order quantity. So these are the things we need to set. Right? For example, you take the product. So this is a product metaphor we made. So we'll set this for this product. 7 is the minimum quantity limit. Okay, and we are making it safe. Right now, yeah, I'll test it out working. So for each product, you can set it like this. Minimum can be there, multiple can be there. So if we go to the catalog, so if we go to checkout, and you can see we only added 3 products. So our limit is 7, so it will show a message like this and it will block the checkout. So for example, if I give a full address also, but I'm entering a US address, try to go with the click on pay now. It will again go back to this message, so the checkout will be blocked. So this is how we can do it. Okay, thank you.